My noob!
Holy mother.
My noob!
I'm gonna take everything from you.
Oh,
Like you took everything from me.
I'm the one who's getting the gold, bro. Nah. I'm getting the gold. Bro.
I'm gonna take everything from you.
Look at that.
Wait,
Yo! What are you doing that?
I got the gold. Go.
Let's go.
Get the
No,
Gian, get the newspaper, nigga.
Most people don't ignore
Skibidi dap,
this
bro.
newspaper.
Get out, Marcus. Shut your fucking mouth. Oy, bili ako torch.
Bili ako coal. Nag-leave ba siya? Nag-leave?
Hindi siya nag-leave, bro.
Wala, iiwanan tayo niyan. Sige ka.
Baliw ka ba? Bibili na ako ng ng bandage. Wag ka muna mag-drive, ah. Baliw
Hindi
ka
pa
ba?
ako nagda-drive. Siya yung nagda-drive. Da! Wala, kinain niya. Kinain niya yung...
Wey, ikaw nagda-drive eh.
Oh, tira mo. Oh, tira mo. Bro!
Uy, putik. La, putik na yun, oh.
Siya eh. Naglalagay lang ka ng fuel.
Ayun na pala.
Wow.
Iwanan na natin yan. Hey, Tawe. Bilis. Drive. Diyan, drive. Ay, sayang.
Ilang wins ka ba niya?
Ever wanted to run?
Kung iniwan talaga tayo dito. Patay.
Blue is not even a natural color for
My dog.
foodstuffs. It occurs very rarely in nature. Name me one blue food.
Ay, may doktor.
Blueberries are fucking purple! I'm talking about Mentos blue, like 7-Eleven slushy blue. What flavor?
Mine. I'm picking the milk, mom. Uy, akin. Ay. Ay, torch ako, Gian, oh. Oy, gagi, may wolf! May wolf! Guys, wag kayo lalabas.
I'm talking about Mentos blue, like 7-Eleven slushy blue. What flavor is that? Fucking highlighter? Blue is not even a natural color for...
Siren, you serious?
Namatay ako. Yan, oh, may wolf. Di makita. Baliw ba?
Ano?
Oh my
Are you
God.
serious right now? Napatay ko lang. You have all your friends dead, nigger.
Cook mo sila. Cook it up.
Yes po. Nakaligo na po ako.
Ligo ka na pala.
Yeah.
Blue is not even a natural color for foodstuffs. It occurs very rarely in nature. Name me one blue food. Blueberries are fucking purple!
Bro.
Ayos kayo? Okay, may raiders.
A pigeon was placed inside a missile and then guided it toward enemy ships during America's top secret Project Pigeon. These pigeons were trained to follow a target on the screen, and when placed inside the missile, they were shown an enemy ship, which they tracked with their beaks, steering the missile on a one-way kamikaze mission to destroy it. Pigeon was placed inside a missile and then guided it toward enemy ships during America's top secret Project Pigeon. These pigeons were trained to follow a target on
Ay, wala na pala ako shovel. Wala ako shovel. Ay, may turret dito. May turret, oh.
Weh?
Oh. Yan, oh.
May generator.
Go, yan, oh. Kita mo? Yun! May turret. Kuha mo, may baril dyan.
Wait lang po. Babay na sa'yo rin.
Sige, bye-bye.
Bukas, pwede ka?
Sige.